Hi, today I'm going to be making fresh cheese soup. So it's another Maltese dish, and if you saw my last video, I actually made the Maltese fresh cheese. So today I'm using those in this recipe. Now, I did mention how economical it was to make your own fresh cheese. So go back, watch that video, and I'm sure you'll give it a go when you see that it's really not difficult. Okay, so what ingredients do we need today to make our Maltese fresh cheese soup? Let's have a look. So the ingredients that we need are celery, carrots, peas. With the fresh cheese, you need one for each person. The same as the eggs, one per person. We need margarine, or you can use lard. And the other thing we need, which I don't have out at the moment, is ricotta cheese. I've just made the ricotta and put it in the fridge. We'll come back and see how we make it. So to start our soup, I'm just putting the heat on there, and then I'm going to add some some margarine. You can use margarine or lard. Then we're going to add our carrots, our celery, and our peas. And we're just going to cook those until the vegetables soften. So just cooking those on a gentle heat, softening those vegetables. Once they're done, we'll come back. Okay, sorry. So that's now boiling. And once it's boiling, we add our cheese, one per person. So I need 5 tonight. Now that's going to reduce the temperature a little bit, so I need that to come back to the boil. I'll just pop that lid on, and then we're going to add the eggs. Now we break the eggs into a saucer or a bowl. It's just starting to boil. We'll wait until that's boiling more before we add our eggs. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, and you want to make sure that you don't miss any of my future videos, what you need to do is like, give it a good thumbs up, subscribe, and ding 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 on the notification bell. And that way, every time I load a new video up, you'll get a notification. Okay, now that that's boiling again, we're just going to drop our eggs in one at a time. So I need 5 eggs. Oops, there's shell in there. There we go. And now we just have to wait for the eggs to cook. So I just let that simmer slowly until those eggs are cooked. Now you can cook them however you like. If you like your eggs hard in the middle, just cook them that way. But generally you take the eggs out while the centre's still soft and the white's cooked through. So we serve that with some ricotta. I find that if you put the ricotta in the soup, it breaks up too much. So I put a ricotta in the bowl, and then I use a slotted spoon just so that I can pick out the egg. So I've got an egg in there, and so that I can pick out a piece of cheese. And once I've got that done, I'll get my soup ladle and I'll put the soup over the top. So that is really hot, and that warms that ricotta in no time. Now there you have it. And there we have it, ready to enjoy. So I hope you give it a try. Let me know in the comments how it goes.